Y-MECH Lift from Totalkare is uniquely designed to provide extraordinary freedom of movement and is the ideal solution where a fixed position for lifting operations is required. A real heavy-duty lift, it's available with lifting capacities from 25,000 to 35,000 kilograms and with platform lengths ranging from 6 to 13 meters to suit. The Y-MECH Lift is tailor-made for some of the heaviest vehicles on the road. The Y-MECH Lift can be surface or recess mounted and can also be supplied with optional extras like a jacking beam or lighting. If you're looking for a heavy-duty lifting for a wash bay, the Y-MECH can even be supplied as a fully galvanized model to provide protection from water ingress. Speak to our team today for a bespoke quote or to arrange a free site survey.